With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
A small particle traveling with velocity v collide elastically with a spherical body of equal mass. The radius r kept at rest. The center of mass of this body is located at a distance rho, which is less than r, away from the direction of motion of the body. You can see the diagram. Find the final velocity of the two. So the thing is, they are of equal mass and they are colliding elastically, right? So when this particle will collide to this spherical body, it will collide at this position, and if you see, the line of impact will be along this. Right, so this will be a oblique collision, right? So the velocity will have two component, one along the line of impact. So let's suppose I say this angle as theta. So the along the line of component angle will be v cos theta, and perpendicular to the line of component is v sin theta, right? And this angle is theta, right? So in oblique collision, only the component of the velocity along the line of impact will change, right? Because only the line of impact, only along the line of impact the normal reaction acts, so that component only change, right? So if you see here, this is the horizontal line, and this velocity, that is v sin theta, will remain unchanged, and only this v cos theta will or can change, right? So now the question is this is a small particle, and this particle is colliding with a sphere of same mass, right? The mass of the sphere is m only, right? So we know that in elastic collision, if the masses of the colliding body are equal, right? So I will write, if in elastic collision, if the masses of colliding body is equal, then what happened? Then their velocity will get exchanged after the collision, right? So I will write here exchange along the line of impact. Obviously the line of impact perpendicular component is not changing at all. Get interchange, get exchange. Very simple. So if you see, this mass was moving with velocity of v cos theta along the line of impact, and this mass was stationary, the sphere. And after the collision, what will happen? This particle will remain stationary, and this sphere will start moving with a velocity of v cos theta along the line of impact, along this direction. Now the only component that will be left with this particle is v sin theta. So I will write the velocity of the two body and the particle. If you see here, so let's suppose I say this particle as A and this body as B, right? So I will say the velocity of A, the particle, is v sin theta, that is the perpendicular component along the perpendicular to the line of impact, that will remain unchanged. And if you see here, we can also calculate the sin theta and cos theta, right? So this is rho, this distance is given as rho, and this is r, right? So you can see the sin theta is rho by r, and if you see the cos theta here, cos theta is under root r square minus rho square by r. So this will be v into rho by r, and velocity of the sphere, that is vb, is equals to v cos theta. Now you can also put the value of cos theta here, so I will write r square minus rho square by r. So this will be the answer. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.